街停车。目的地已到达，感谢乘坐。
We've arrived. Please take your personal belongings and pay attention to the surroundings.